Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix Google Ads disapproved due to unsupported language. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch up Google Ads, and then here in the left hand panel you can click on campaigns, okay? And you'll see the different campaigns you have. So just go to the one where you have the issues. For example, this one is where we have issues going on, so just select that specific campaign. Click here on the gear cog to access settings. Now here under settings, what I want you to do is tap on languages, okay? And now here what you just want to go ahead and do is just see all the list of languages you have right here, the selected languages, and it's crucial to actually ensure that only the supported languages are selected here, okay? And if your ads were disapproved due to language issues, it's likely that any unsupported language might be checked. So go ahead and modify these settings by unchecking, any additional unsupported languages, and save your changes. Just come here at the bottom right, hit save, and then you can check again. Usually just give it a while. It's not immediate. These changes take a while to reflect in your ad status. Just keep an eye on any notifications from Google Ads regarding the status changes. You can refresh the page as well, but this should fix your issue. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.